Hello, this ICP is all about the topic modeling through LDA. The main objective of this assignment is to find the coherence score uh, from group of documents and should be plotted using PyLDA VIS by changing various parameters, various hyperparameter values. Uh, Topic modeling is a type of abstract modeling that is used to find the topics in document collection, and this will do unsupervised classification on various documents, which will results to a natural group or natural topics in groups. And LDI is the most commonly used topic modeling technique at present. Uh, we have changed three hyperparameters like chunk size, alpha, and eta to create the LDA. So for that, firstly we downloaded and used the source code. We got the coherence score of 0.39 for the ICP code. After that, we have changed the hypermeters as I mentioned, uh, only especially in LDA model function, and we got a so these are the parameters like a chunk size is 100, alpha 0.01, eta zero point 0.4. You can see here the hyperparameters and their values output. Here you can see the hyperparameters and their values, and we got the coherence score of 0.42, and by using the PyLDA visualization, we have plotted the results as shown here. Further will be continued by my partner.
Uh, so here we were changing the hyperparameters value slightly for each run, and we got to know that how coherence score value is changed, and how this visualization output will be changed. And here is the uh, output for each run. This table shows the runs, hyperparameter values here, and coherence score. This is the base run. As my partner mentioned, we have taken these hyperparameter values, and base run of coherence score is 0.43. um, uh, Coming to the why I have chosen these hyperparameter is um, using these hyperparameters, we got a chance to plot the best model. So that is the reason for choosing these hyperparameters. Chunk size parameter helped us to know the number of documents to be used in each training chunk, and alpha is used to adjust the prior distribution of topic weights in each document. I believe that if alpha value is low, all the weight in each topic distribution will go to a single subject. If alpha value is high, the weight will be evenly spreaded over all of the topics. Coming to the eta, it is used to control the prior distribution of word weights in each topic. Um, Here I have described the each run performance. Coming to the first run, as you can see, we have already displayed the output for coherence score and visualization output uh, for first run. Um, in the first run, we got the good coherent score, but as you can see here, there is a overlap exists between 6 and 7. Uh, that is the reason we would like to run one more run. We would like to execute this model for one more run. So in second run, I decided to increase these hyperparameter values slightly to increase the coherence score and overcome the overlap. But as you can see here, uh, there is overlap exists between 6 and 7, and coherence score is also decreased in the second run. So I decided to execute this one more run. So I have increased all parameter values in order to increase the coherence score. So hopefully in at least in this run I should get a good coherence score and there is no overlap. So here is the output. Here as you can see there is no overlap in this model, and I got a good coherence score when compared to base one. Coherence score value is 0.4379. Um, in the in fourth run, um, I increased the hyperparameter values a little bit, and as you can see here, there is no overlap, but coherence score is decreased a bit in this run. So, but in fifth run, I tried to increase the coherence score a little bit. So I decided to increase the parameter values a little bit, and but in fifth run there is a overlap exists between 2 and 3 and 6 7 sorry 5 7 and 8. Here you can see the output, and coherence score is increased in this, but severe overlap is observed in this model. So I tried to execute this model for 12 runs um, by increasing the parameter values, but we could not get the best results since in some cases overlap exists even when the coherence score is increased. In some cases when there is no overlap, coherence score is decreased. uh, so in my opinion, third run is the best model, which have values as chunk size equal 300, alpha value is 0.03, and eta value as 0.42. Uh, here, for that coherence score was 0.43793, and then there is no overlap also. On a conclusion note, in this ICP, we have learned about LDA and its hyperparameters, and we have run this model multiple times by changing the hyperparameter values to know the how this model works and performs. So third run values has the better model. Uh, we felt challenging while learning about LDA model and understanding each run in this task. Thank you.